Hello, so myself Tomal Vor. Today I will discuss permutation and combination. So basically what I will do, I will take some example and try to make everyone understand what is permutation and combination is. Okay, so let's start. Suppose I have taken three numbers 1, 2 and 3, and I have been told that I have to choose any two number out of this three numbers. Okay, so basically I have taken the three simple single digit number 1, 2 and 3. From this 1 to 3 I have to make pairs and all possible pairs, okay, by taking two numbers at a time. Okay, so from 1 to 3 how I can make pairs, like first I am taking suppose 1 2, is in the first position and 2 is in the second position. Okay, but now this is one pair. Now similarly, as I have taken 1 2, the opposite pair is also an possibility. So similar way I can take the pair 2 1. So now I in our hand I have two pairs 1 2 and 2 1. Now similarly I can take the pair 1 3. Okay, where 1 is in the first position and 3 is in the second position. And by the same logic I can also take the opposite pair 3 1. Okay, and at last I can take the pair 2 3. 2 is in the first position and 3 is in the second position. Okay, and by the similar logic 3 2 is also an option. Okay, so basically what I can see, I can make 6 pairs here. So from 1 to 3 if I choose two number at a time, so I can make 6 different pairs 1 2 2 1 1 3 3 1 2 3 3 2. Okay, now move to the next example. Now this time in our, suppose I have taken three persons. Suppose Ram, Shyam and Akash. Okay, and I have been again told that you have to choose two persons out of this three person at a time. Okay, I mean you have to choose any 2% at a time out of this 3%. Like this numbered problem, same thing, but this time I am taking taking persons in case of number. Okay, so now same thing. So Ram, Shyam and Akash. Okay, so basically what I can take, first I am choosing the pair Ram and Shyam. Now by the similar logic of the previous example, Sam and Akash is also an pair you can make, but there is the problem. The problem is if you choose Ram and Shyam, you can't choose the pair Shyam and Ram. So what's the logic? Suppose Ram is in the first position and Sam is in the second position. Now simply by swapping their position you can't make a different pair. Like Ram is in the first position and Sam is in the second position. Now what I am doing, I am putting Ram in the second position and Sam in the first position. By simply swapping their position, Ram was originally in the first position. So what I have done, I put Ram in the now second position and Sam is in the first position. By just changing their position, you can't make a different pair. Like I am Tomal and someone is there. Now what I am doing, someone is coming here and I just Tomal I am the, and someone is just changing the position. So by changing the position, simply we just can't interchange our interchange our name or interchange our identity. So basically the point is, by simply swapping our position I can't make a new pair. So Ram is in the first position and Sam is in the second position. Now the new pair is Ram is in the second position, Sam is in the first position. So basically this doesn't make a different pair. So that's why we can't take, if I take Ram and Shyam, we can't take Sam and Ram. Similarly, suppose Ram and Akash, you can't take the opposite pairs Akash and Shyam. Okay, and the last pair is Shyam and Akash. If you take Shyam and Akash, you can't take Akash and Shyam. So basically we can make maximum 3 pairs here. Okay, so the first problem what I have discussed here in number problem, that problem is called permutation problem, and the second problem we discussed here, this is called combination problem. Okay. So in permutation problem, swapping is allowed, but in combination problem, swapping is not allowed. Okay, let's take another real life example. Okay, so that the things can be more easier to understand. Okay, I'm taking a very real life example which actually we are facing day to day life. Okay, suppose there is a hotel, and in the hotel 5 rooms are available. Obviously hotels have lot of rooms, but right now 5 rooms are available. Okay, so there are 3 families and they will going to book a room. Okay, so there are 5 rooms available and 3 families will go and book rooms. So suppose now 5 rooms available. Suppose the rooms are room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4, room 5. Like that we can number the rooms. So this is the first room, this is the second room. Like that we can numbering the room. Okay. Now suppose first family go to the hotel and they ask the representative about the rooms. So the question is how many options the family 1 has. So obviously family 1 has 5 rooms because they go to the hotel first, so they have the option to choose any one room out of these 5 rooms. Okay, so they can choose any one room out of these 5 rooms. Okay, so now the second family came. When the second family came, they have the option of choosing any one room out of the 4 room. Why out of the 4 room? Because first family have already chosen any one of the room. So only 4 rooms are possible. So second family have the option to choose 4 room, 1 room out of 4 rooms. So basically, if someone asks me a question, family and family 1 and family 2 together have how many possible choices? How many possible choices together family 1 and family 2 can make? The possible choice is 5 into 4. Total 20 choices, different choices they can make. The question is how? That's what I'm trying to explain. Suppose family 1 choose the room number 1. So family 2 can choose the room number, either room number 2 or room number 3 or room number 4 or room number 5. So family 2 has 4 options. So how many pairs can we make? Family 1 choose room number 1, family choose room number 2, 1 2, then 1 3. Family 1 is room number family 1 choose room number 1, family 2 choose room number 2, then 1 4. Family 1 is choosing room number 1 and family 2 is choosing room number 4, then 1 5. Family 1 is choosing room number 1 and family 2 is choosing room number 5. So when family 1 is fixing the room number 1, family 2 has 4 options. Similarly, when family 1 is choosing room number 2, again family 2 has 4 options. Like family 2 can choose room number 2 or 3, room number 1 or 3 or 4 or 5. Similarly, when family 1 is choosing room number 3, again family 2 has 4 options. I mean 4 pair can be made. Okay, again when family 1 choosing room number 4, family 2 has 4 options, 1 2 3 and 5. So again 4 pair can be made. Okay, we can make. And lastly when family 1 is choosing room number 5, again 4 pair can make. Family 2 can choose room number 1 or room number 2 or room number 3 or room number so you can see basically when family 1 basically fixing a particular room, family 2 has 4 options. I mean 4 pair can be made. So for family 1 choosing room number 1, 4 pair can be made. Family family 1 choosing room number 2, another 4 pair, total 8 pair can make. So total 8 options are there. Family 1 choosing room number 3, another 4 options, so 12 options. Family 1 is choosing room number 4, another 4 pair, 16 options. Family 1 is choosing room number 5, another 4. So total 20 options are there. Now family 3 came. Family 3 came and they have how many options to choose? They have to choose 1 room out of the 3 rooms, because family 1 already chosen 1 room and family 2 also chosen 1 room. So family 3 has only 3 options. Out of these 3 options, they have to choose 1 room. Okay, now someone again asked me, okay, what is the what is the possible ways, what are the possibilities that family one and family two and family two, all of them can get the rooms, and what are the, I mean, what are the possible ways? So the possible what is 5 into 4 into 3, totally 60 ways they can get the room. If I think about it again little slowly, like suppose family 1 is fixing room number 1, family 2 is fixing room number 2, so family 3 has three options, either 4, 5, 3. Suppose family 1 is fixing room number 1, this time family 2 is fixing room number 3, that time also you will get three options. Okay, so for three options, so so actually you can see, when family 1 fixing room number 1 and you are varying family 2, you will get three options. Like if you suppose family 1 is fixed as room number 1, family 2 is in room number 2, so family 3 has three options, 4, 5, 6, so three pair can be. When family 1 fixing in room number 1, family 2 is now 3, that time also 3 pairs, 6 pairs. When family 2 is in the room number 4, 3 pairs, 9 pairs, and family 2 is room number 5, another 3 pairs, so total 12. For family 1 is fixing a single room, 12 pair can make. So for family 1 is now fixing room number 2, another 12 make a pair can make, so for 24. When family 1 is fixing room number 3 and family 2 is also varying, another 24, 12 pair can be made, so 36. When family 1 is fixing room number 4 and family 2 is also varying, another 12 pair can be made, so 48. And family, lastly family 1 is on the when on the fifth room and family 2 is also moving, that time you can also make 12 pairs, so total 60 pair can be made. So this is actually a permutation problem. Why it is permutation problem? Because family 1 can take room number 1 and family 2 can take room number 2. Similarly family 2 can take room number 1 and family 1 can take room number 2, so you can see the room numbers can be swapped. So that's why it is not a combination problem, it is a permutation problem. So this kind of example we can get, so where the problem can be understood very easily. So this is a small demo of permutation combination. I hope it is very enjoyable. Okay, thank you.